I'm Laura, I'm Vice President of LAMATEK.
Bob Carlson, President.
I'm Steve Tice. I'm the Operations Manager here at LAMATEK.
My name is TERRI, CHICOSKY. I'm the Quality and Product Development Manager.
My name is Nadia Nichibov and I'm OEM Sales Manager.
Janine Klaus, National Sales Manager with LAMATEK's Window and Door Division.
I'm Jason Huntsberger, the Shipping Manager.
My name is Kim Brazili. I'm the Account Manager for the OEM Department.
I'm CETRA SAMPER, Continuous Improvement Leader.
My name is Lauren Moss. I am the Customer Service Specialist for the Window and Door Department.
I'm Jamie Kifferly, the Junior Technical Sales Specialist.
I am Jennifer LUCANO, Creative Director.
So our first facility was an 1,800 square foot garage in Crescent, New Jersey, and we had 3 customers.
Our customers are the backbone of our organization.
LAMATEK customers are our biggest asset.
Our customers are a diverse group from all different industries.
LAMATEK's customers are the reason we keep innovating.
LAMATEK customers are what keep us growing.
Our customers are the reason we come to work every day.
LAMATEK customers are very loyal.
LAMATEK customers are our #1 priority.
Our customers are the foundation of our business.
LAMATEK customers are our inspiration.
They're what makes us successful.
My customers make me feel important, helpful, appreciated, and needed.
Our customers keep us interested.
LAMATEK customers motivate us to be the best.
They push us to excellence and help us expand our horizons with new materials and processes.
They play a vital role in our company's success.
I've been here for most of my life, and it's the same people who order the same things, which is nice because it makes my job easier.
They push me each and every day to do my very best.
I feel like we've been able to build a long, loyal, trusting partnership.
The fun part is finding solutions to their needs.
I can count on them to assist me so that I can assist them more readily.
They constantly challenge us to adapt and change.
I've gotten feedback from so many customers over the years, and no matter if it's positive or maybe something we need to improve on, it is always useful.
You know, solving a customer's problem is very rewarding and, you know, it gets us excited every day.
Without our customers, LAMATEK would definitely not be as interesting a place to work.
Without our customers, we wouldn't have a reason to strive for more.
Without our customers, LAMATEK would not be the thriving, successful company that it is today.
Without LAMATEK customers, we would just be an average company.
I think without our customers, it would be a lot less fun around here. Without our customers, LAMATEK wouldn't be celebrating 35 years.
Without our customers, LAMATEK wouldn't exist.
Thank you.
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 Thank you for the last 35 years of success.